Hi Jasmine, good to see you. Hi Pankaj ji. Welcome back, all of you. I'm sorry we had this protocol which we have with the Instagram, and I think after 1 hour it starts showing me that it needs to get shut. So, and we just don't get to know the time when we are speaking to such lovely people on our celebrity chat, and so we'll have Poonam ji back. So I must tell all the viewers if somebody who's joining new right now with us that we have our celebrity guest as Poonam Sethi ji, and she's well recognized in the field of tarot consultant, and she's a karmic healer and a consultant, and she's been with Delhi Times for over 15 years as a columnist, and I can see a lot of people who were. Uh, Hi Raj, hi Vicky. Okay, so let's try and have Poonam ji back if I can see her right away. Hi Atharv. Okay, no, I don't see her back joining right now. So Atharv, Ananya, if you're online, I can't see Poonam ji's ID live. Okay, now I can see. Hi Atharv. Good to see you, Urvashi. Chavi, I'm doing well. Thank you so much. And I shall have. Yes, so we are back. Hi, welcome back.
Back again.
Okay, for some reason, suddenly the volume and the connection, everything is perfect now. पहले बीच में ना थोड़ा कट भी रही थी आपकी आवाज.
हाँ, आई थिंक वो ब्रेक देने से वो हमेशा होता है ना फोन.
Now I can hear you much better. So I was good. These questions that I wanted to ask you, I didn't want any noise to break at that point of time. Am I audible?
Yeah.
Am I? So Poonam ji, I have not left you. You know, this is not something I'm not going to ask you. आप ऐसा मत सोचना. Am I audible?
Yeah. Breaking, but yeah.
Right. But I really want you to spell Ananya backwards.
Oh Lord. Ayana.
Can you pronounce it?
No. Ainana.
So, Pooranji, I also want to know one thing. Into all of this, I believe you've gone through a lot of things which have been a journey. Any regrets that you have that you feel that if you get a chance, you would want to ever change? Ever anything that you feel that you can change from the past?
Not really. I think I've learned a lot from each experience of my life. No, there's nothing I want to change.
In fact, I'm very happy I should have restarted this again because I can see the messages flowing now. Earlier, there was this last message which got kind of frozen on my screen, and I was using the other phone to read all the chats and everything. So I'm glad that I can now read what everybody is writing in one screen. So Ananya, with you, any role model that you want to share with me? Somebody that you really look up to?
See, everybody usually says mom, and for me also it is actually mom only who I actually look up to, because I have seen her. See, people go through a lot of things, I know, but I have seen only mom do it. So for me, that is actually an inspiration. The way she's brought us up, the way she's faced all the problems and how she's overcome them, like such big things which people don't know about. And it's not only problems, even the good things, how she deals with it. And for me, she's like an encyclopedia. I don't know how, but she has an answer to everything I ask her, like everything. And I recently told her, Mama, mujhe bhi aisa banna hai, someone who knows everything. Like, talk about the internet, I know. Talk about some kind of a drink, I should know. Like, mom actually knows everything. No. So for me, she's in all these kind of ways. This makes me tell you this T-shirt I have, which I'll wear and put it up one day. It said
the same thing. Google doesn't have all the answers. I do. So it was like I'm feeling that moment right now.
And also, like good things, like beauty things also, for example, like how good her skin is better than mine. Like I'm so much more younger than her, but still her skin is glowing and refreshing. So for that also I take inspiration from her. Like she makes her own creams, does her own things, takes care of herself so nicely. So she inspires me in every little thing I do. So she is the only role model I have. Really.
Superb, Ananya. I think you, the way you explained, that's a lovely moment, and I think it will be well captured. I'm going to send this picture to you for sure, and I'm going to do a screen recording for this and send it to you. But and while I say this to both of you, I think there is a little gap between both of you. I can see a wooden, but I don't want you to fill that gap. By the way, keep that distance because. Can I have Atharv in the middle there? If Atharv is home, this would be amazing. Like if I can have all the family.
Wait.
Atharv, you're watching. Come, please. I think everybody wants to say hi to you, and you come.
Yeah, he's
I see a angel in the middle between both of you. So I'll have Atharv coming there at the right spot.
Really? Well, that's the talking. So she'd rather put a devil with horns there. Hi, Atharv. Come, Sandhya.
Come upper if you can.
Okay. So that's Atharv.
I can have all three of you, I'm sure. Hi, Atharv. My God, three good-looking people in one screen.
So sweet.
You send your to him. He really needs it. सुनता नहीं है मेरी.
तो सुनने की जरूरत ही नहीं है. He is getting into acting and he's getting into other, limelight of it, and being you there.
Actually, Ankit, he's planning to do something which requires this kind of a look. So I guess he's getting ready for something like that.
Yeah.
सुपर. मतलब आप मुझे फंसवाना चाहते हो कि मैं अपना भेज दूं हेयर कट करने वाला और ये मुझे सुनाए फिर.
Not get a haircut because it's a small project sitting in this quarantine and this look. Right now I'm not getting.
Yeah, I lost your voice in the middle, Atharv.
I'm
Come on.
saying that I'm anyway not going to get a haircut because I'm planning something to do my own some project in this quarantine only. So for that I need this haircut. So
Right.
I'm not going to get it. So yeah, we have a
Super.
fight every day when we wake up about my hair, and that's the only thing I can say to her कि काम है इसलिए नहीं कटवाऊंगा बिल्कुल.
No, but
So how
but
do
I think it's easy. It's easy to get hold of you with long hair. I'm telling you. Okay, there's some network thing. I think I'm missing out on. I think connection. There are some people also writing that there is some connection issue. Am I audible to you guys?
Yeah.
Great. So Atharv, I have one question from you because you're such a lovely family. You're such a great bonding that you guys have. Touchwood. Atharv, how would you define family? I want to hear from you. Your definition of family.
Particularly any family or just my family?
Your family.
My family. She's my sister, but everyone treats her as a dadi of the house. ठीक है? That's my family. ये मेरी मम्मी जिनका इस घर में बस नहीं चलता है. मैं वो तो बेस्ट है, वो तो अपने में मस्त है, और एक है ये इसका घर में आवाज भी नहीं सुनाई देती. No one in this house because I don't even belong here. The way they treat me, I'm going to they treat me, the way they fight with me. My family definition is I'm going to name it Pity on Atharv.
I'm suddenly feeling that I should just have you in the show. Suddenly, all of a sudden, I feel that you are the most candid person in this chat right now. As the name says.
To express my feelings about my family, and everyone on this chat will agree with me.
Atharv, do you cook?
Only stories.
Great. So in that case, I doubt you'll get dinner today. I'm telling you. So be prepared.
I can cook Maggie and eggs to save my life. I mean that, and especially then I cooked pasta and stuff because my sister taught me everything over there. So she knows if I quick cook to save my life, I can do that.
Super. She's been a savior then, for that matter.
Sorry, I didn't get you.
She's been a savior then.
Ah.
So Athar, something that I want to know something about you. What are you planning? What is your journey like? Because I know you're getting into acting and you want to get into mainstream. So how is the journey? What is your next step? What are you planning? You want to share with all the viewers and with me as well?
So honestly, to be very frank, I have thought about that. Firstly, I wanted to go to Bombay and just like try something over there because I believe that going to the hub is the main thing. In Delhi, you can't do much if you want to be the part of the mainstream, right? So my
Right.
aim was Bombay as soon as possible, but due to the lockdown and stuff being understanding, we have to sit at home. So no Bombay happening this year. So probably next year by January, I think I'll go. Try my luck.
Right. I'm sure you have one Dadi Amma and Mamma both. Right and
Nani.
left. How about you, Ananya? Would you want to share something with your professional line? We couldn't get a chance to ask you this.
Yes, of course. So I started acting really long back. I even tried to go for Miss India, Miss Diva. That didn't happen though, but I did try that. But now recently I've been concentrating on other things as well because managing acting in Bombay, Delhi, and right now it's getting a little difficult due to various reasons. So I've just finished my master's in psychology. I had to start interning in July in a hospital, but that is not possible right now. So my plans are delayed. But I had learned Chinese as well. I thought I would do something in Mandarin. I even did a diploma in art. So right now for a career, everything is really like I can't go to Bombay to be an actor right now because of the pandemic that's going on.
Right.
I can't go to hospital to like practice my psychology. So right now I'm concentrating on other curricular things like my paintings and things like that.
So you've never got a chance, or you've never felt, Ananya, that you want to get into tarot reading, because it is something which is, as what I say about your mom, she has really helped so many people, and it is, everything, like you say, karma, everything comes back. She's done so good for people, and everything comes back with all the love, and I can see all the messages. So do you feel that at times that you want to follow that same path at times, or do you get a chance to learn things from her sometimes? Because I'll also add one more thing, that I'll sorry, just add one more thing. With her, there's one more thing which she mentioned in the beginning of the chat, that when she was young and her mom told her that there is something in you, there is something, because I feel when you're a tarot reader, it has to come from within. It has to be the instincts, it has to be a forecasting somewhere which comes true. So
Yeah.
is that somewhere with you as well? Do you feel that?
See, honestly, I've not given it a thought like ever. But I recently realized that people used to tell me that why don't you do tarot? And out of all three kids, like all three of us, everybody asks me. That is really strange. In fact, today only one of my school friends asked me. The thing is, I've never really given it a thought. But I've realized that due to my psychology, I think I'm closer to what she's doing. Like what she does it with cards. I think it's similar, listening to people, helping them out. I think psychology is a little similar. So I don't know
Right.
if I learn the cards right now, and I don't know if you can actually learn tarot. I think it's from within, and I don't know if I
It
have
comes from
that
within.
now. Yeah, I don't think so.
Okay, very, very, very true and very right. In fact, it has to come from within. So, Atharv, Atharv, so I swear I'm gifting you hair bands when I come soon. But I can understand. I was going through the same thing. I used to do the same thing just a few days back.
Guys, putting the
So, Atharv, if look at the voice has gone back again. Can you hear me, guys? Because your video is kind of frozen, and even your voice.
just give us a second. We are trying to put the phone on charge.
Acha.
We had charged the phone surprisingly.
So guys, meanwhile, all the viewers here, all the viewers who are here, thank you so much. You're here with all of us, and I am in chat with such a lovely family, which I've had great regards, a lot of love for the younger ones. I have got a chance to meet them personally. It's been a great session I'm having, and I'm having three such wonderful people in one frame. It's a rare sight. It's an unforgettable thing. So thank you so much again, all three of you. Can you hear me? Are you back on your, have you charged the phone?
Can you hear us? Hi.
Yes, I can hear you.
Are we
Athar,
audible?
my question was just coming. Yes, yes, absolutely. I wanted to ask Athar that if he gets a chance to choose, what does he prefer? What would he choose, money or fame? If one thing you have to choose,
Fame.
fame. Any reasons, anything that you want to describe why? Why not money?
Okay, honestly speaking, money is something which, honestly, for my personal opinion, that money is something, even if I get a bit less as compared to what I want to, it's still okay. But fame is something which I want because I'm that kind of person. If people love me, if people follow me, if people want to be like me in future, that's just, no money can buy that, in my opinion, honestly speaking. And being a fat kid all my life, fame is the only thing I never got. So now I believe that that's something which I have to capture in life, and I'm going to get that. So fame is my answer as compared to between fame and money. Fame is number one for me.
Super, well said. And I'm going to twist this question for Ananya. Ananya, are you a person who loves to be in the limelight, or you are a very back end kind of a person? Like you feel that piche say I don't want to come in the limelight or something, or you love being on the camera and you love being on the limelight of it?
No, I really love being in the limelight. I think that is why I started acting, because when I was young, I didn't know what acting is. I didn't know like you could earn money out of it, or you could be popular, like money wise, or you could reach that level. I didn't know all that when I was young. The only thing I knew is I just want people to look at me, the way I talk, the way I dress. I just want people to look at me. That's how my journey had started, and that's why I had gone for Miss India and stuff like that also. And I really think
Sure.
I like being in the limelight, even with my friends.
Great, great. So I'll go to the viewers' question very soon. And before I go there, I want to know two things from all of you, all three of you actually. So one, I really want to know that any message, probably individually, you can give me that you'll want to give for all the viewers, keeping in mind the lockdown and the pandemic, that you'll want to give individually, probably because you'll all have an individual thought to it, that you'll want to share to the viewers, and then I'll come to the viewers' question.
Okay, I'll only start. I honestly.
I know you know. I knew it. You like limelight. Go on.
I love talking, so I just like giving my opinions. So
Right.
I would say that I know everything is really sad around the world, and we can't really do anything about that. But the only thing we can do is for ourselves, our friends, and our families. So I would just like to say that be positive. We will all get through this. People individually go through a lot every day in their lives. This time we are all in this together. So I think that we should get motivated कि हम सब एक ही boat में हैं. And just be positive. And in this lockdown, obviously stay at home, stay safe, use the masks and sanitizers. But other than that, just be happy and be together. Just be together. That's it. That's what I think.
Right. So when you say be happy, the tips to be happy, I think I'll take it from your mom, because she'll be the best one to tell me that. But what would be your message, Poonamji?
See, I have something very short to say, that a lot of people are asking me, kya kare and all that. See, there are situations where you just can't help it at times. So now what to do? Just shift your focus to what you can do for yourself to keep yourself happy. This too shall pass. I mean, everything passes. This will pass. It just needs a little time. Maybe this is God's way of letting us realize what we hadn't realized till now. So try and take it positively, yeah, but please do keep the necessary precautions, stay away, and it'll pass. Another month or two, I'm sure it's going to get better. So just calm down and just use this time to better yourself. So just there's nothing to worry. It's okay. It's all, the worst is over.
But it's a great, thank you, Puramji. It's actually a great sign of relief when you say that. I can't trust the vaccines to come very often, I mean, too near in the near future, but I can still trust your words when you say this. It's a matter of a month or two. So, let's all hope that happens, as your intuitions are very strong. And it's a great, great positive message, seriously. How about Atharv? If I would like to hear your thoughts on there. Thank you.
We lost you beach mein, so we missed what you just said. So if you could just repeat it.
I was just saying, Puramji, that I cannot trust the vaccine to come. That is the hope of positivity for all of us. But when it's coming from you, it is even bigger. It's even greater when you say that it is probably a month or two, that it is a tough time for all of us. And considering that your intuitions are so strong, considering that, I mean, I'm hearing it from you, I think it is wonderful. I think this is one sign of relief for all the viewers and for myself to hear this from you.
Yes, it'll all be good. Don't worry. Just stay put.
Thank you. Thank you. How about you, Atharv? A message from you?
Yes, I want to give a message. Yeah. So the message I want to give is honestly that to everyone in proper Hindi, सुनो. सबका बुरा हाल होता ही है, ठीक है, बैठना होता, हम सब सफर कर रहे हैं, काम बंद हो गया कईयों का, बाहर खाना बंद, मॉल्स जाना बंद, जिम जाना बंद, सब बंद हो गया. लेकिन एक बात बताऊं, बुरा टाइम आ रहा है बट अच्छा टाइम भी आने वाला, वो हम सब जानते हैं. So what I'll suggest to everyone is mask, sanitizer, that also she said, so I'm not going to repeat that. So what I'm going to say is that we all should connect, we all should keep each other busy so that we don't go in that space in our head which gets us the gloomy days. So what I will say, एक दूसरे के साथ रहो, help each other, and बुरा टाइम, सबका ब्रेकअप हुआ है ना, ब्रेकअप के बाद भी ठीक हुआ है ना सब, ये भी हो जाएगा.
Right.
So nothing to worry about, good times are to come.
Thanks, Atharv. I think very, very well said and very, very well put into a sentence. I think you've given a very clear message. In fact, for environment also, I say, I don't know again if you lost my voice. Can you guys hear me? You can hear me?
Gone again.
I can hear you. Hello?
Yeah.
Yeah. I was saying that we guys have come so close to families, relatives, and even environment. I think that where somewhere I connect with Atharv's message as well. And I think very well said. But before I go to the viewer's question, Atharv, Ananya, and Poonamji, I cannot leave you guys without doing something for me. Though it is kind of a rule in my show that everybody who comes has to sing. But here, I'm telling you, you are so talented. You can't say that at all. Whether all of you are like, you're like full of talent. It can just come out from anywhere for that matter. And I've seen it for that matter. So I really want, if I can have a few words from any of you or all three of you.
Okay.
It's not a duet, it's going to be a triplet.
Viewers, you want Ananya to sing. Ananya, viewers want an Ananya to sing. Let's go.
I will sing just 2 lines. Please forgive my singing because I'm not a singer, but okay.
Right.
तिनका जरा जरा है रोशनी से जैसे भरा तिनका जरा जरा है रोशनी से जैसे भरा हर दिल में अरमां होते तो हर दिल में तो समझे जरा.
Wow.
Thank you. This is wow. Why did you say, "Oh Lord"? Your voice is phenomenally so amazing. It's amazing to hear you sing.
I love singing.
Ananya, how about you? I will never forget the fact that you like Limelight. I'm telling you, this is going to backfire on you till the time you know me.
Should
And I'm
have
sure now for your
dancing.
lifetime.
My talents are painting and dancing. I can't show that to you on live. तो मेरा talent तो अब cancel है.
But at least you can sing a few lines for us.
बेख्याली,
No,
बेख्याली.
I'm the worst singer on the planet, and people are going to delete all of you if they hear my voice. I really can't.
बेख्याली.
I can't.
See, I'll give the caution. I'll put a advisory. I'll do all that. But you can sing Legi Legi for us, yeah. You love that song.
लेगी लेगी.
नहीं, I don't know that.
तो बेख्याली ना. बेख्याली.
अच्छा, let Atharv go. I'll
No,
think
no,
of a
no,
song.
not
till
right
then.
now. Atharv
I'll
is
think
not.
of a song.
Atharv is much better than you. You have to go
I'll
first.
think a song. जल्दी करो.
कौन सा गाना गाऊं?
Anand, you can
Okay, so
ask
I'll come.
Fine.
I'll come to the viewer's question and I'll leave Ananya for 1 minute and then I'll come back to her. So, Puramji, I had a lot of questions that came to me and I'm going to just quickly take up 2-3 questions, like a very quick zone, because we are, of course, lack of time, and you've been really very sweet. In fact, all of you to be, on this chat for such a long time, and you've given this time to me. So, quick question comes to you, Puramji. Jyoti has asked me a question saying that how is she's from Delhi and she's mentioned that how is tarot reading and astrology different from each other?
Okay, see, astrology is a science that is based on calculations. So once they have your date of birth, there is a calculation chart, astrological chart that they make, and then they see which planet is in which house at what time. Whereas tarot is based on intuition. It depends on how strong an intuition is and how you can, because you see, there are 78 cards. The deck I use has 78 cards. And there are times the card can have, infinite meanings. So it's what message you get at that time. So they're totally different in a way, but yet similar.
Right. Okay. Okay, this even I didn't know. So this is, I mean, I knew overall as a layman, but in depth, I didn't know that how many cards usually one uses, like you also mentioned. Okay, so great. In fact, I love these chats because I'm getting educated with a lot of fields of different people that I'm meeting and my own friends. So great. Puramji, one more question I have from Kriti Seth, and she's put in a questions asking me that if everything is destined, how does tarot reading make a significant difference in our life experiences?
It's a good question, and I need to tell everybody this, that see, out of the 100% luck we are born with, 33% is fixed destiny, what you bring with you. So whether it's your astrology chart or whatever, that's just 33%. The next 33% is the karma you do. And the last 33% is what you absorb from your surroundings. So collectively, a bit of this, a bit of this, a bit of this makes up your destiny. So ये नहीं है कि जो लिखा है वही होगा, like this. So you can put a plate of food in front of you, it can't fly into your mouth. You have to do the karma.
Right.
So I say it's a collective, and it's not that, again, like I said initially, that tarot is not going to tell you your future. It is a guide. So you will use it as a guide. And yes, destiny is not fixed. You have the power to change a lot of things in it.
Sure. Okay. One more question I have from Neha that has sent a question to me. In fact, I'll take 2 last questions. One question is this, that how do remedies help to alter our future experiences in life?
See, there are times it's like, there are times when a problem comes. Now, when you give a remedy, you're kind of balming the situation. You see, now if I'm in great pain, I've burnt my hand, I will put a burn all on it. And that is what remedies do. They will subside the pain. They can't remove your hurt. They will subside the pain. They will heal it over a period of time. And there are lots of ways to heal, so definitely remedies help. I mean, I try them all the time for myself. Of course, can't do too much for myself, but I've seen it work over 30 years for people. So kuch to hoga that, people want them.
Right. Okay. Last question with you from the viewers' question for you. Then we'll go to the contest. And of course, I have not forgotten, I have to hear Ananya sing. But the last question that I want to ask you is that, you know, a lot of people are asking, and this is like a very common question that a lot of people are asking, that one, they want to know that how is the health going to be for our country in the near times? Like, what is the health concerns that you feel, that how will it go really worse, or will it be in control? And secondly, they also want to know the how do you think the economic, you know, the entire economic things have just gone, it's just tossed over with the businesses and work and everything. So these two questions were asked by the same person, that's Vicky. Vicky Anand has asked this question to me, asking me these two things, that how do you see health and how do you see countries' GDP and economy and money?
Thank you, Vicky, for the question. And I guess everybody was waiting for this question because everybody's probably in the same situation. See, whereas the health is concerned, I think we were, when we went into a lockdown, the lockdown was used as a period of getting ready for the worst. So we were put inside कि ठीक है बच्चों को कमरे में बंद करो जब तक हम decide करते हैं कि क्या करना है. Fair enough, because we've never faced such a situation. And it was supposed there are a lot of natural changes happening, a lot of eclipses, and the universe is going through a shift right now. So it was supposed to burst at a point. If it didn't burst last month, it is going to burst once everything is open. So yes, there are concerns about health. It can get a little worse because everybody is now out in the open, and we have to mentally be prepared that this will happen. But you know, I've always been of that belief that सबकी किस्मत एक साथ खराब नहीं हो सकती. I've always had this thing, you know, in me. And
very well said.
Whatever is to be will be. I've heard of plane crashes and people surviving those crashes because their time hadn't come. So just get this out of the head that everybody's just going to, you know, go die together. That's not what happened. It's just that, yes, it's also a learning phase because I feel everybody ignored health for a long time. I mean, even the hospital, restaurants, we people. Now, this is a time God said, look, this is needed now with the levels of pollution and all. I will say, don't worry. Health, everybody needs to take care of themselves. अब ये नहीं है कि कुएं में कूद जाओगे तो फिर तो obviously कुछ नहीं कर सकते. But don't panic. 1-2 महीने ये worst will be over. You know, the जिसे कहते हैं तूफान निकल जाएगा. And whereas the economy is concerned, see, it can get fixed within a month, 15 days, whatever. The problem is everybody's gotten a little too scared to take any step. So people who have a little bit are hanging on to it. People who have work are not being able to because others are scared to come. So by the time the pattern sets, month and a half to lag jayega. First week August, I feel things are going to be much better. So sorry guys, we're almost there.
I think I missed out the part of economy. I think I could not hear that. Probably that. How about the economy of the country? Like, how do you see that?
See, let's not talk about collective economy here. If each one looks at their own, then I think that becomes collective finally. And abhi dar bahut hai. So people are not willing to take chances. Even normally, even if I have to go to work, I mean, not having everybody coming right now because scared. So I would say it'll take a month and a half. I feel first, second week of August, things will be much better. So आप लोग बिल्कुल उस चीज की चिंता मत करो. Don't go for collective economy. If individually we start getting back on track, वो collective तो बन ही जाएगा. So it's just a matter of a few weeks. Please hold on. सब ठीक हो जाएगा. Of course, be careful. I believe in it, you know.
Great.
Ankit, there are times kids panic, and obviously the whole news channels and everything just makes you go into a mode of panic. But I don't know why I feel I don't need to panic. Baba's there. Of course, everybody is God-fearing. Everybody's God is there. Just don't hype it so much कि आप handle ना कर पाओ, क्योंकि फिर आप नए set of problems ले आओगे. So I don't know. I don't feel I feel that scared because when you have faith, you're not scared. And just let it pass. Just pray and let it pass.
Thank you, Poonamji. I think this is a very valid question that Vicky asked. And I'm glad that she is there on the chat and she's thanking you as well to answer that question for her. So I'm happy that she's there. She could hear that what you just answered her question. Am I audible, Poonamji?
Yeah.
Yes. So Ananya, are you there? Before I go to my contest for all the viewers, and I'm getting
So then
such
let's
wonderful
what is
messages, Athar, for you. Also, like, somebody is telling me, somebody's writing, Athar, you look good in pink t-shirt. Somebody's liking your hair. Somebody's actually do a flip.
They are just.
so instead of singing, like can't I do like a line from some movie or something, like act a line instead of singing and embarrassing
Why
myself?
not? Why not? Why not? I give you that leverage. Trust me. I have to still come home. I have to still have your Maggie before you put red mirchis in it for me.
Okay. So I don't really do
And
lines from I just
considering
do
Atharv has already scared me saying that you are a Nani Amma and a Dadi Amma, so I cannot take a risk with you.
no, that's not true. Okay, so the thing is, I don't do lines from movies. I always do these monologues, but they're really long. I can't. So I'll just try a line from like one of Kareena Kapoor's lines because I like really
Sure.
like her.
Action
Don't
बोलो.
do that.
Then,
तुम्हारा कोई हक नहीं बनता कि तुम इतनी खूबसूरत लगो. Not fair.
अरे वाह.
That's it.
Atharv, very bad, huh? You just vanished from the camera. I wanted to see your expression.
अरे, my expression.
But very well done. Thank you, Ananya. I think it was really well narrated.
No,
And this will be on a
at all.
and this will be shared, huh? This is going to go on my feed. So I usually get good 200-300 people. Then I get thousands of people on my page, on my YouTube channel. So I'm telling you, a lot of people are going to see it now.
So thank God I didn't sing.
Atharv, anything from you? Can we expect something from you? Ananya, can you do something for us? What would you suggest? Why should we leave him?
कम पास तथा पास आती हूँ ना वैसे तो आवाज आती है.
Hi, can you hear me now?
Yeah, absolutely, I can. Act like
Okay,
Shah
so
Rukh, somebody's written for you.
Yeah, I'll
Shishti.
say one line of Shah Rukh and then I'll also sing a song. Okay?
Super.
So one. माफ कीजिएगा सर, परीक्षा से मैं देख रहा हूँ आप सब कुछ हार गए, क्योंकि जहां से मैं मुझे एक सिद्धि दिख रहा है, खड़ा है पेट करके उन दो लोगों की तरफ जो उसे इस दुनिया में सबसे ज्यादा प्यार करते हैं. माफ कीजिए. Okay, from Mohabbatein.
Super. Thank you. Thank you. This is really nice.
And I'll also sing the
That
song.
intensity, please.
Yeah, for quarantine. Okay. So, sorry if I go wrong in the lyrics, but it's a rap from the movie Gully Boy. अपना टाइम आएगा, उठ जा अपनी राख से तो उठ जा तलाश में, परवादे परवाने की आसमां भी सर उठाएगा, आएगा अपना टाइम आएगा, मेरे जैसा शाना लाला तुझे ना मिल पाएगा, ये शब्दों का ज्वाला मेरी बेड़ियां पिघलाएगा, जितना तूने बोया है तो उतना ही तो पाएगा, मेरा ख्वाब है जैसे तू दफनाएगा. अब हौसले में जीने दे, खौफ नहीं है सीने में, हर रास्ते को चीरेंगे हम, कामयाबी जी लेंगे, सब कुछ मिला पसीने से, मतलब बना जीने में. क्यों? क्योंकि अपना टाइम आएगा तो नंगा ही तो आया है, क्या घंटा लेकर जाएगा.
Superb, superb. What do you say in rap? Ek number.
एक number.
Great, wonderful. Thank you so much, Puramji. Thank you so much. Not just that I've had a chat with you, also thank you to you for me to have this wonderful conversation with these two lovely people on the screen that they are sharing with you. And, this is all thanks to you. And I can see all the love, I can see all the cultural values, I can see all the upbringings in both of them thanks to you. And I think this is just a, kind of a, I would say a reflection that I can see in both of them. So thank you so much, Atharv, Ananya, to be here. I wish I could have Sahiba, right?
And then maybe next time, but thank you so
Maybe
much.
next time. Yes.
Thank you so much for having me on this show. And I'm telling you something, I just felt so reconnected to everybody. It just feels so good. Thank you so much. We had so much fun. And पता ही नहीं चला time कहाँ निकल.
Completely. This is one of my longest chat that I've had with a guest, and the most fun one, I must say. No offense to anybody else, but this has been wonderful. Seriously. So thank you so much to be on Candid with Ankit Nagpal.
Thank you
And
everyone for being there. Thank you everyone. Love you.
thank you so much.
First and longest live ever, and it was so much fun.
Thanks. Take care.
But before you guys go, I'm going to put the question out while you are here for all the viewers. And I must tell everybody that this show is being powered by supporting partners like Voila Accessories and Gem Minds. In fact, I must tell all of you here also, including 3 of you, that Voila Accessories have got into face masks and even, gloves. That's the need of the hour. And they are into male jewelry also. They have a collection called Dare, and Gem Minds is one of the certified gems which is operating from Karol Bagh, Pan India. So the winners are going to get the hampers from them. But trust me, guys, whoever is watching, please do not write the answers here. DM me the answer, and the person who sends me all the 3 right answers will get the prize. And the questions are very simple. I'm keeping it very, very simple. So I want to know, guys, that before Poonam ji was, of course, got into tarot reading, I'm giving you 3 options. Was she an engineer? Was she an interior designer? Or was she a journalist? So you have to choose one thing and send me on a DM. The second question I want to ask is that which is the newspaper that she has been associated for almost 15 years as a tarot guidance? So that is my second question. And the third question that I want to ask everybody is, she has recently ventured out into something very new. So what is that I want to know? Is it apparels? Is it home decor? Or is it brooches, accessories? So this is something that you need to tell me. Very simple questions and are all answered in this chat somewhere. So I wait for all the answers. So thank you so much, all of you. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Bye. Had so much fun.
Thank you.
God bless everyone. Stay safe.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Thank you, guys. Thank you, everybody. And thank you for being on this show. I've already started to get all the messages. I can see all these messages being flown in onto my DM. And I'll see you guys in midweek. I have 2 special guests on Thursday that I'm hoping. I will have Dr. Varun Katyal, who's a nutrition and a very well-known person in the pageantry life. And then I shall have also Sheni Soni, who's the show director. I'm expecting on Thursday. And so we are going to look forward for this interesting conversation that we'll have on Thursday. And then Sunday, we'll come back with another section, another theme, another segment, or something that you guys will choose for me. So thank you so much, guys. Thank you, all of you, for your time. I had a great chat with I think the most lovely family. And I'll see you guys soon. Please be safe. Use all norms of, all the things that have been told by the government. Sanitize yourself, be safe, and spread love. I think that's the need of the hour. So thank you so much. God bless you all. I'll see you back on Thursday. Signing off. Thank you.